What's up, gang? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going fishing. This is back in the beginning of the month, I believe. Our on the west side of Oahu, one of our little plugging spots that been holding up some fish. So been going pretty steady. Right now I'm rocking my 10'4" SPH rods, PE2, paired up with my 6,000 Shimano Saragosa. For the line, I'm using J-braid 40-pound test. For my leader, 50-pound fluorocarbon Missouri. Throwing my, what is it called? It's a Japanese brand stick bait loaded Mario. Not too sure of the full name, but we in a couple casts. So chilling with the brothers who came on the wall today. So stay tuned until the action. Once again, mahalo for all those likes and subscribes. Please continue to do so. Smash that like button as much as you can. It would really help push my videos out there. I try to teach whoever who wants to learn. If you guys get any questions that I might be able to answer for you guys, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. Also, if you guys see what type of fish to be targeted, please leave a comment down below, and I'll try my best to try and push that video out for you guys, or see if I can help you guys out with any answers with questions you might have. Until the action, guys, stay tuned. Mahalo for tuning in. Alright.
Oh, it's a big boy. Oh, it's a big boy. Camera's rolling. Yeah, they're on. Some big boy.
What's up, gang? So, as you guys can see, we're hooked up to a nice fish. Brother Herbie said, "Oh, a couple waves coming." So I put my focus on the surf. I started watching the surf, keeping an eye on my fish, which way it was trailing, which way it was running. I started moving back because I know that this was going to hit the wall pretty hard. So I stepped back a few steps, let the wave come over. Kind of planted my foot pretty good. But this set next,
Little white.
I had to open up my spool and back up because this swell came pretty hard. As you guys can see right there,
Also,
stepped back a few steps, planted my feet, and we got wet pretty good. You know, it's always good to have a partner when you're fishing out on the reefs, no matter where you are. If you do go alone, watch your surroundings at all times. Be cautious on what's going on with the waves, the current. the tides. It's all big factor when you're out there on the ocean. So the main thing is you stay safe, but enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and stay tuned for more action.
Sure. Careful. I'm gonna bring up on this next one. Yeah. Yes, sir, Herbs. I know. Thank you, bro.
Oh, nice white.
Small guy. Fuck away, huh? Yes. Nice one. I can release this one. Hold on. Come back. Come a bit closer. Nice white. Yes, sir. Throw this guy back.
So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that small clip that I'm smashed together for you guys. Nice scrap on this white Papio. My guess is about maybe 7 to 8.5 pounds. More videos to come, I promise you that. So please, until the next episode, continue to like and subscribe. Shoots.